Ashla Taylor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this here quick and easy kayak stand. For this project, we're going to be using, you guessed it, y'all's favorite 1 1/4 inch Schedule 40 PVC pipe. You're going to need the following measurements: 2 pieces at 5 feet, 2 pieces at 24 inches, 2 pieces at 10 inches, 2 pieces at 5 inches, 2 pieces at 18 inches, and 4 pieces at 30 inches. You're also going to need 6 tees, 2 elbows, and 4 caps. We'll begin the assembly by first attaching a 24 inch to a tee. Now on the other end of the tee, attach a 10 inch pipe, and then another tee. If the open end of your first tee is pointing up, this tee is pointing to the side. Now you're going to add a 5 inch pipe to the other end of the tee. Now you'll add another tee, this one facing the same direction as the first one. Now attach your 18 inch pipe with an elbow facing the same direction as the second tee. Now you'll build the exact same thing for the other side, only the second tee and the elbow will face the opposite way. Now we're going to attach our 30 inch pipes to the 2 tees on the side. As soon as they're glued in, go ahead and put caps on all 4 of those. And the last part of this build is you're going to attach the 2 pieces together using the 5-foot sections. Once you get it all built, you can go ahead and spray paint it, make it look however you want. I wanted to paint it red, but Luke made me paint it black.
Black like his soul.
I hate you!
Once it's all dry, you can lean it up against the wall and place your kayaks on the racks. Well, there you go, guys. Have you made your own kayak stand? Show me a picture in the comments below. And make sure you're checking out the new episodes of Battle of the Baits every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time on Rated Red's YouTube channel. I'm Ashla Taylor.